If Firefox is showing the message, "This web page is not available," don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can get the page loading again. We'll start with the fastest solution, then move through extension checks, Troubleshoot Mode, and finally a fresh Firefox profile if the problem is still there. These steps are simple, safe, and perfect for when a website loads in other browsers but not in Firefox. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials just like this. First, let's bypass the cache. Sometimes Firefox is holding onto old data that is causing the page to fail, so you want to force a hard refresh. On Windows, hold Ctrl and press F5. If that doesn't work, try Shift and F5. This tells Firefox to ignore the cached version and fetch a fresh copy directly from the website. Wait a moment and see if the page loads normally. If it does, the issue may have been stale cache data. If the web page is still unavailable, the next thing to check is whether an extension is blocking the site. Extensions can interfere with page loading, privacy scripts, cookies, or even security checks. To test that, click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox. From there, click Extensions and Themes. Then click Extensions. You'll see a list of installed add-ons. Start by disabling your extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script managers, or security-related add-ons. After disabling an extension, try loading the web page again. If the site starts working, you've found the cause. If not, turn that extension back on and move to the next one. Until you narrow it down, if disabling extensions doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to try Troubleshoot Mode. This is a very helpful built-in feature because it temporarily starts Firefox with add-ons disabled and many custom settings reduced, making it easier to identify whether the browser itself is the problem. To do this, click the menu button again, then click Help, and choose Troubleshoot Mode. Firefox will ask you to restart, so go ahead and confirm the restart. Once Firefox opens in Troubleshoot Mode, try visiting the website again. If the page loads now, then the issue is likely caused by an extension, theme, or a browser setting. If it still doesn't work, then the problem may be tied to your Firefox profile. In that case, the last step is to create a new profile. A corrupted profile can cause all kinds of strange browser behavior, including pages not loading correctly. To do this, type About Profiles into the address bar and press Enter. This opens Firefox's profile management page. Here, click Create a new profile and follow the prompts to set it up. Once the new profile is created, launch Firefox using that profile and test the website again. If the page works in the new profile, then your original profile likely has a cache, settings, or data issue that needs to be reset or repaired. At that point, you can continue using the new profile or transfer only the data you actually need. So to quickly recap, if Firefox says this web page is not available, first hard refresh with Ctrl plus F5 or Shift plus F5, then disable extensions, then try Troubleshoot Mode, and finally create a fresh profile using About Profiles. One of these steps usually fixes the problem fast. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Firefox and browser troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.